So today is January 26th, 2026, and this is today's trade breakdown. So right now I'm on gold. This is on the 5-minute time frame, and once I woke up around 7:30, I see that price is consolidating right here. So I'm consolidating. You see price go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just moving sideways. It's not trending up and it's not trending down. Next, so from here we're just waiting. Next we see price give us this candle that breaks this low, breaks this low, break these all three of these lows. Where price was just consolidating, it broke all those lows. And right here I see a gap as well. And 3 MAs is above these two, the 50 MA and the 13 MA is above, but the 200 MA is underneath. And if we look on the higher time frame, we can see that price was on a mean uptrend ever since. Right now gold is all-time highs. It finally reached 5,000 per ounce. And right now, yeah, it's all-time highs. Price is on an uptrend. Eventually price gonna have to retrace, pull back to then continue the uptrend. So I was just looking, okay, price is on an uptrend, but right now it's creating a supply zone right here, which is counter trend because we're going up, and the setup is indicating that price is gonna go down because it broke these lows, right? So I'm just following price action on gold. I sent this to the group chat as soon as I saw this candle come in and hit the zone and started rejecting off the zone. I let them know, like, okay, next break of candle I'll be getting in for sales, and my first target is a 1-to-1. First target is 1-to-1, which is like around here. First target is 1-to-1. Second target is 1-to-2, which is around there, right? So what happened here, I sent this out to the group chat, and from here we were just waiting for the next candle to break the candle low. The next candle opened up, it came up here and it started rejecting, and then it started going down and it broke that candle low. Once it broke that candle low, I was already in the trade. I got in the trade, and from here we were just waiting. Boom. And then that next candle literally hit our first target, our 1-to-1 target. So right here, to be honest, I ended up closing out my full position right here at 1-to-1, because gold has been uptrending for like the whole last year. It's been uptrending since market opened on Sunday, which was yesterday, and I'm over here selling gold. I'm taking a counter trend setup on a pair that's normally going up, and I'm taking a trade betting that it's gonna go down. So I'm like, you know what, I'm okay with getting out the trade and only making 1-to-1, which is the amount that I was risking, right? And yeah, that was basically it. I took this little risk. Price could have kept going for 1-to-2, which is 2 times my risk, but I was satisfied with this little 1-to-1 win, because at the end of the day, like I said, gold is normally a pair that's uptrending, and right now I'm taking a counter trend setup. So I don't know how far down gold can come and pull back to, even though we're all-time highs. I don't know if this is going to be the high as it goes before it pushes back down and grabs liquidity from everybody that's been buying. So since that's not really something that we could predict, when the full end of the trend is gonna begin to sell, I just got out at 1-to-1. My voice is kind of messed up right now. I was a little sick during the weekend due to the snowstorm that we was having up here in the north. If you know, you know. Snow is crazy. Old cars got buried. Nobody went to school, nobody went to work today because the snow was just too crazy, and everybody's shoveling their car out even right now while doing this video. But I already did what I had to do. So yeah, So that was it. That was today's trade. Next candle open, boom, started pushing back, and then from there the other candle opened and pushed down heavily and hit our 1 or 2 target. But I didn't want to wait for price to hit our second target because, like I said, price is on an uptrend and we're taking a counter trend setup. You know, I only took this trade because price action looked very clean, right? We got a break a structure on the low side. We got a gap, price pulling back to the zone, rejecting of the zone, break a candle, we got in, right? And like I said, I'm gonna repeat this again, but it's just because it's very important on why I took this trade. I got out at 1-to-1 because price, this pair normally is on an uptrend, and I'm taking a counter trend setup. That's basically it. There's nothing else to explain on that. But yeah, that was today's trade. Let me see if I can get with my phone. I ended up making, goddamn. Ended up right here. Ended up making roughly $500 and withdrew $100 for the day. And right now I'm about to go to the smoothie shop, Tropical Smoothie. Shout out to Tropical Smoothie. And I'm about to go grab me a freaking smoothie, even though it's freezing outside, but that's just what I'm craving right now. So we about to get right. And yeah, and then after that, let's see what price did. Boom, price reversed, and yeah, then began to drop. This is where price is at right now. So that's why I got out right there 1-to-1, took that little trade, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That was today's trade breakdown. Like, comment, subscribe for more of these type of videos, and until next time.